Okay. Good morning, Isabel. How are you?
Good morning, sir. How are you today, sir?
I'm doing fine. Thank you for asking. You are coming to the end of your training here at the Church of Christ Training Center, located in Silang, Cavite. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What has been your experience during the time that you have been here?
Sir, I know the Bible and I know the Word of God, but memorizing, sir, is hard for me. Then if I've been training here, so I've been practicing in memorizing the Word of God and also to know the more Word of God, sir.
Okay. The purpose of the class is really to teach you English, conversational English, so that you can obtain employment within the BPO or call center industry. How has the training been on a scale of 1 to 10? How effective has that training been?
9, sir.
9. Okay. Um, how much were the fees? How much did you pay to participate in this class?
No, sir. We have no money to pull up to take out.
Okay. And how has being involved in the class affected your Christian walk?
I believe that, sir, that uh the Christian walk, sir, a relationship to God,
Yes.
it's opportunity to given to us that we have a deeper relationship to God. You teach us to be deep in the Bible, sir, to know more God, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much. Is there anything you would like to say before we end the interview?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, for the opportunity that you given to us, sir. And thankful and grateful to uh, have this in this class, sir. Thank you for the Church of Christ, sir. Silang Church of Christ, sir.
Very
Thank
good.
you.
Thank you very much. Bye bye now.